Hey guys, it's Mike with the 61 Beetle. I'm working on my driver's side seat today. Subscribe if you want to help me get to 1,000 subscribers. I'll show you what I've got going on right now, which is I have my covers down and I took out the driver's side seat here, and it looks like this. So I sanded it a little bit and scrubbed it a little bit, and you can see here a bunch of rust, and this just looks kind of gross, and I could probably go over this a lot in terms of just getting rid of this. But what I'm going to do is I think I'm going to just I kind of did a quick and dirty job, just kind of trying to take most of the bumps off of the rust. And almost all of this will be hidden under the, except for maybe like this area and this thing and whatever. But a lot of this will be hidden. And once it's black, as long as it functions, I don't really care. There's my old seat cover. And I'm gonna reuse the horsehair. This one they're a little crunchy. This one is actually pretty good. This one looks like it's a little bit damaged, and somebody redid it and put a pad on it, but I'm gonna reuse it because what I'm gonna do actually, and this is a little bit of a ghetto, but I'm gonna cut out some pieces of terry cloth and just put a nice smooth covering of terry cloth, and I'll use some of that 77 spray glue just to kind of keep everything in place so I don't get ruffles after sitting on it for a while. Spray glue just keeps it in place. So the first thing I'm going to do, so I went to buy a bunch of this stuff, rust reformer, and first thing I'm going to do is go over this with, I went over it already with mineral spirits, except for that place I just sanded. And now also, this backer piece of cardboard is really in bad shape, but I'm just not going to buy another one because that's underneath and nobody's going to see that. And if at some point I wanted to do any more with this than I could. Also, I've got this knob, and I'm just going to paint it black for now. The reason is I ordered new knobs, and I should be able to kind of pound those off at the time when I get the new black knobs in the mail. But for right now, what I'm going to do is I'm just going to spray over this, and I'm just going to get it on the cardboard and on all these metal parts. I just don't care. I'm not sure why that little screw came out. What is up with that? Okay, hang on one sec. I need a screwdriver. How in the world would this screw come loose here? But it's as much of a mystery as my axle nut. Okay, so those are both good. So I'm just gonna do rust reformer over this whole thing, and front and back. It just turns it black. And as I said, what's underneath here, I just don't want it to rust so bad that it actually breaks. So, like I said, I'm just going right on. I don't even care. And you know what? Am I proud of this work? I don't know, not really. It's gonna be underneath the seat. So that's the frames. I'm gonna let that dry, and I'm gonna start just shaping these. This has some kind of has something over a already failed horse here, but what I had done before is to, yeah, it's a lot of padding. I'm gonna rip a little bit of this out because there's a bump right there, so. You know, what I had done before is I just took a piece of terry cloth like this, went over top of it, and took a little spray adhesive. All right, so, you know, here was a little ridge in the horsehair, and just, you hear it crunch, but this shape shape that a little bit. And overall, I think that's gonna work great. So here's what it looks like. You know, it'll take a little while. I mean, I think that'll stretch into position. And next I gotta do the seat back. So let's go ahead and do that. The question is can I, here I can do this the correct way, which is just go straight over the pointy things. So basically, I pull this guy over this pointy thing, pull the back one over the pointy thing. I'm gonna go ahead and do that, and then I'll turn on the camera after. All right, well, it's pretty much the finished product there. It is, you know, I had to put in these little screws here, and you know, not perfect. You know, a couple of ruffles there, but I think after you sit on it for a while, it'll kind of stretch out in the right spot. So I'll go ahead and install it, and then we'll see what it looks like. Okay, so with the seats in, it basically looks like this. Those are all 4 seats in. That is to say, all 3 seats in. So look at that. I think it looks good. As I said, there's a little bit of funkiness, but I think use will break that in, and you know, it's a little ragged down below, but I just don't think that's going to be that big of a deal. It's interesting, that driver's seat seems to kind of be a little further away there from the doorpost than this one, even though they're the same here, so I have to check on the rail how that's sitting. But overall, I'm very happy with the look of those black seats. I wanted to mention one other thing that I did. You can probably tell that there's a bunch of baby powder on here. So I put a bunch of baby powder on there, and then when I roll the window now with the baby powder on, and again, you can see how it doesn't pull down the inside scraper anymore. So that worked on both sides. I just have to, you know, I'll wipe off the excess, I'll wipe off the excess baby powder, but it also worked on this side. So yeah, I think baby powder is a good trick that somebody sent me, and I just went ahead and did it. So, you know, I think it's looking better.